We'll guide you through how to install the TikTok app on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. TikTok is a really cool app. On there, you can go and scroll through the different posts. You're going to have short videos on there, carousels and photos. And of course, you can go and post on yourself on it as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to go and get started, we need to go and use your phone store, which is going to be the Play Store. So go and find it. It should be on the homepage. You can always swipe up and search for it at the top. Then what you want to do is go down and you want to go and find the option for search. Then what you need to do is come to the top and tap on the search. And we're going to go and type in TikTok. We can search for it. Here it is. So you can go and press install over to the right or go and tap on it and press install here. Now go and wait. The time this will take to go and download will go and depend upon your internet connection. It's pretty quick, as you can see for me. When it goes and downloads, it will go and start installing, which is what we want, of course. Shortly, when it's ready, that cancel is going to go and change to an open option. So you can press open there, but if we come out of here, you can swipe up and we can swipe across, and there is TikTok. We could tap and hold on it and press add to home if you wanted to, or just go and tap on it and it will then go and open up. Wait for it to load. What we'll need to do is go and create an account, or you can log in if you already have one. So we'll just wait for this to go and load. As you can see, you can sign up or log in at the bottom. So then what I'll do is go and use my phone, email, or username. That's it. I've now successfully logged in and we can go and use it.